Just a short video here to share an interesting behavior when it comes to patterning features, specifically a web feature. To create a series of diagonal ribs like so, it is not uncommon to simply sketch a single line and do a sketch pattern. In the web feature, as long as you check on the Extend Curves option, the rib will be extended up to the side walls, even with partial sketch lines. What if we started with a single rib? Can we pattern this feature? Will the pattern features also extend up to the side walls? Go to Pattern, Rectangular Pattern. For Type, select Features, and select the first rib. For directions, click on the Select box and select this axis. Adjust the spacing and quantity. Let's leave the Compute option as Adjust and Confirm. So the pattern does honor the end conditions of each and every subsequent patterned rib. This is an important point when it comes to patterning features instead of bodies. If we try the identical option, we get the same result. However, the optimized option does not give us the result we need. So hope that this has been helpful. I will see you in the next one.